Assalamu alaikum dear students. As yesterday we did reading and explanation of unit number 4. Let me ask the question whether you did the homework or not, which I have given you to write down the meanings, the names of all these flowers. Okay, I hope you did it. Okay, today we will draw the mind map of unit number 4. Okay, so take out your pencils. Let me draw it. Write down unit number 4, which is wild, beautiful wild flowers is the name of our unit. Okay, as there are not characters or story in the unit, all the unit is about the flowers. So few words which were new in that unit for us, we will only note down or write down all the new words and the name of flowers in the mind map. Okay, so write down unit number 4. The first word which is new for us, that is habitat. Okay, that is habitat. Habitats means maskan, रहने की जगह. Okay, this is our first word. The second word is frost, which is new for us. The second word is frost, F-R-O-S-T, frost. Frost means a small white ice crystal on grass. Okay, now we will mention the names of few flowers which I have given you in the homework. A violet flower, the spelling is V-I-L-O-T, violet. V-I-O, sorry, V-I-O-L-E-T, violet flower. Okay, violet flower. Daisy, lily, pink rose. These were the words which we learned or which were new for us. You can write daffodils as well. Okay, the daffodils and pink rose, lily, daisy, daffodils, violet, gorse, G-O-R-S-E is the other word, name of flower. You can see on the 5th number. This one is gorse European. Okay, G-O-R-S-E, gorse. Okay, This was the mind map of unit number 4. I hope आप लोगों को कुछ नए वर्ड जहन में नक्श हो चुके होंगे. Thank you.